Yo, what is up everyone and welcome back. Today, I'm gonna be going over a low calorie but high in protein smoothie that I personally like. Very easy to make and only uses these 3 ingredients. This requires minimal effort, only takes a few minutes, and honestly, it tastes pretty good. If I need something quick to help me meet my protein requirements, this smoothie is my go-to, all right? So let's do this. So you need some frozen berries, you need 2 servings of Greek yogurt, berry flavored, and you need some sort of base. I personally just go with orange juice because I kind of like that extra tart and tangy flavor. But whatever base you use, you're not even gonna use that much. So typically I only use 1/4 of a cup of orange juice. All right, so you're gonna pour about 1/4 of a cup. Next, you're gonna add a full cup of the frozen berries. There we go. And last but not least, we're gonna add these 2 yogurts in. So each yogurt has 15 grams of protein, which is how we get 30 grams of protein. Yo, I ain't even lying. This shit tastes so good. And that's it. Now we're just gonna toss this in the blender. Typically I'll take it out, give it a little bit of a shake, put it back in. Yeah, and there you have it. That's refreshing. The smoothie, very low calorie, high in protein. There's about 290 calories in the smoothie, 30 grams of protein, about 35 grams of carbs, and only 1/2 gram of fat. I also love the smoothie, not only because it's good, but you know, you got your protein, you got your carbs, you got your antioxidants, your fiber, and you got some probiotics in there. So give the smoothie a shot, drop in the comments, let me know what you think of it, and I'll see you next time.